Hey everyone, working here on the infamous spark plug replacement for a 2008 Toyota Highlander. And there's a whole bunch of videos out there on YouTube about this project, but I thought I'd kind of show maybe a little bit more on the end game, kind of once you get the manifold off, which is probably the biggest challenge of them all. And a big part of it has to do with a little bolt. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it back there, right there, right where the light is shining, getting that guy off. And actually what I ended up doing was taking some angle socket and a couple other socket. I also use this to pull the spark plugs out, and recommend, if you're doing this, to tape them together so they don't pull off inside the socket hole. So that's a good idea. But also just wanted to show some of the other things to get out of the way. What some people don't do, which I ended up doing, is take off the whole windshield system here, which it maybe takes like 10 or 15 minutes. There's really a bunch of 10mm bolts to take it off. You do have to take off two of the nuts that hold down the suspension, but otherwise it's well worth the extra effort to get the extra room to work in here. And the other thing you did was this is just electrical wire here, which is plugged into these holes, and they each have a little clip on the back, and you can take a pair of pliers and squeeze it and pull it out, and just hung that up out of the way. So that makes a big difference and gives you some more room. Had to take off this unit right here, which this is the other bolt in the back of the manifold. This just comes off with a screw here. Also, this electrical wire gets in the way of particularly this spark plug wire right there, and ended up taking this nut off, this bolt out, sorry about my light there, this bolt, and then there's another one right there. You can see that. And so then that way you can move this around a little bit back there in order to be able to wiggle the actual boots out of the spark plug hole. This one back here, you really have to kind of finagle it to get it out, but I was able to do it without unplugging anything else. So those are just a few extra things that I did that I haven't really seen on some of the other videos. I just thought I'd pass that along, but it's definitely worth the extra time to take the windshield wiper and that fairing off the front right there, and then hang that wire up to get it out of your way. So we'll see how it goes getting back together. Looks like the biggest challenge will be getting that one bolt way in the back over here, but otherwise it's gone pretty well. Another thing you did is recommend just cleaning off the manifold. Cleaned this off, just took a little bit of carb cleaner and cleaned that up, and then am planning on replacing. Also recommend, this is a little handy thing, just a mat. Spent a lot of time laying over this thing into the back, made it a lot more comfortable. And then on the manifold, we have these gaskets right here, which just went to Toyota a few minutes ago and picked up those. I think they were like $14 a piece. There's 3 of them, and you just pull these tabs out right here, slide those gaskets out, and then we'll replace them. Just figure while it's so much work to get in here, why not replace them while you're at it? Otherwise, getting ready to put it back together. Gonna do the front plugs, which folks have likely seen plenty of information on that. Those are right there in front of you, pretty easy to do. So do that next and then put it back together. So anyway, hope this helps somebody out. Thanks, bye.